Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I have here this Apple Watch Series 5 44mm, and the problem on it, as you see, it's the screen. The screen is broken. So today in this video I will show you how to replace the screen on this Apple Watch. So to do this job we will need a screen. We will need a screen. It's right here. And then we will need an IC semi or a cutter like this. This is a cutter, and tweezers, double stick adhesive, and a glove, and what else? A heat gun. This is the heat gun. Okay, so I think that's all what we will need, and let's start. I will put these gloves, and then I will heat up the screen. I will remove this plastic, these strips. To remove them you just need, let me take this off. You have a button here that you need to push. You push the button very well, then you slide this to the side, and you do the same thing here. You have a button here. Let me show you, because some people, they may not pay attention. The button is right here. Okay, just use your nail, push and slide. Okay, so now we're gonna put the glove, and we will heat up the screen for a couple minutes. I'm just gonna push it like this, and then we'll heat it up. Alright, so I think it's hot enough. As you see, it starts like burning. And so I'm gonna do, I will just use this IC semi, and then we'll see if I can find a gap from the side here. For you, in case the IC semi doesn't fit in the gap, it doesn't fit here, you can use this cutter, and make sure this doesn't slip and cut yourself, make sure you just like control it very well, and then you can lift up the screen carefully until you release it. For me, I like to use this tool because it's very perfect. I may use the cutter to make the gap, then I will continue the job with this. Alright, so okay, once the screen is open like this, what we're gonna do, we will use these tweezers, and we will remove the adhesive that is covering the connection here. And there is like a lock here, locks 1, 2, 3 right here. So this is a lock. I just open it. Let me close it. It's closed now, so we're just gonna open it this way. Make sure don't damage the cable. Then we're gonna open this one too, and we will cut the cable from here. Then we will cut the cable from here, and we will open the lock. Okay, then we will just pull the screen out, or maybe we need to no, we still have this tape that is covering the cables. this is just like a copper tape, black from one side and copper from the other one. Okay, so this is the screen. We're just gonna remove it, make sure we don't have any pieces of glass left here. This what they call it, this is sealing, or this thing which is covering the screen. I don't know if it's okay to cut it or not, but what I'm gonna do, I will just cut it. It's not really important. It looks like it has a cable coming from the inside, so you know what, I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna keep this here, and they will glue it back. Make sure it has some pieces of glass on it. I'm just making sure that this cable is clean. Some parts on these things, it may have like a good real functionality. Some of them, they are just like an addition. They may be doing something, but we're not sure, you know. So the same thing for this cable that I'm cleaning now. Okay, let me take this glove off to control it very well. I'm just trying to make sure there is no pieces of glass on this. Okay, so it's clean now. So what I'm gonna do, I will just make sure that the frame is clean too, and then I will just connect these cables here. But before that, I will put the adhesive. So this is a double sticky adhesive. I will put some strips here in the front, on this side. Alright, so I cover all the edges with the adhesive. Then I will use this spudger and make sure that the adhesive sticks very well. Okay, now I will just remove the adhesive that is covering, I mean the plastic or the paper that is covering the adhesive. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I will make sure to stick this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I will glue this piece here around the edges. Alright, so it's perfect now. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I will just take the screen and I will connect it. I will connect the cables. This part will be a little bit tricky, so what I'm going to do, I will just connect them one by one. and this is the second cable. I will just insert it here. So you make sure that these cables are all the way inside, and then like the thing here. Okay, so everything is good now. And then before I glue it down, I will turn it on and see if it's working. I think I will need to put it in charge and leave it for some time until it gets some juice on it. So this is the charger. Alright, it needs to be charged a little bit more, and that's it. From here we're just gonna like glue it down like this. Make sure it's aligned perfectly before you put any pressure on it, and that's all. Alright, so that's how, and this is the thing, this is just plastic covering the screen for protection, and make sure it's sealed perfectly. And also you can do this, you can just get like a rubber band like this and wrap it around it until you make sure that the thing it sticks very well. Just like this, and leave it for some time. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope that you learned something from this video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, and have a wonderful time. Peace.